Hello students, today we are going to learn 250 words on Ordnance Factories Day. The Ordnance Factories Day is commended each year on 18th March to stem the first arms plants established at Kolkata in 1802. It is commended with extraordinary enthusiasm in all the arms production lines of India. The arms production lines day festivity means to honor the most established mechanical manufacturing plant run by the Government of India, the Ordnance Factory Board. The Ordnance Factories Day festivity likewise interpretation the procession function along banner lifting. The procession and function alluded as Prabhat Fairy incorporates metal band which plays pleasant tunes of Ordnance Factory song as a festivity piece. The presentation show of guns, rifles, firearms and guns at different arms processions plants across India is regularly open to all people. Various systems are engaged during the occasion on Ordnance Factories, the day to modernize the plants present across country. The day is likewise celebrated by leading processions service by the weapon plants authorities cross country. The social exercise like signing, moving and band institution is additionally being coordinated as a piece of festivity of Ordnance Factory Day. The festival helps us the obligation to remember committed officials and workers who assume a fundamental part of the nation's security. The festival additionally represents the signification of Ordnance Factory Board, which is likewise viewed as the nation's fourth arms of defenses. One of the Ordnance Factories Day festivity targets is to make consecutions of arms and ammo being produced at the manufacturing plants among the overall population. Various honors functions is also coordinated to encourage the workers for their expectational assistance. Ordnance Factories Board has founded different classes of a grant like Ayudh Bhushan, Ayudh Ratan, Ayudh Shri, Ayudh Devi, and so on. Thank you.